Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, we are going to unbox these two beautiful Christmas related pictures. One is Santa, the other one is Train. Both of them were bought from Michaels for $10. They were on sale. The original price is $14.99. And these are the completed pictures. The completed kits. So let's start with Santa. This kit comes with the drills. I already unboxed it actually for my Russian speaking channel about diamond painting kits, and I will show you the drills a little bit later. But this kit also comes with a set of tools. Here they are, very similar to diamond dots, and the instructions. Now let's look at the canvas. So this is a full round drill diamond painting kit in the size of 40 by 50 centimeters. This kit comes on a fabric-based canvas, very similar to diamond dots. This is polyester, woven polyester as far as I remember. The printing is very clear. I can see every single symbol. And I also like the detalization of the kit. The resolution is just perfect. This kit contains 32 colors. The only problem with this brand, Make Market, there are no AB diamonds. I already unboxed 4 kits from this company and not a single of them had AB color. But this is not a problem. I have a lot of leftover drills from other kits, and I have stored a lot of crystals and AB diamonds of different colors, so it's not a problem for me to replace some colors with ABs or crystals. So as far as I see, the picture on the canvas is not color related. I mean, it's not right. It is not shade related, so to say. And I love it because for me, it's always the element of surprise. I love when the canvas itself, the picture on the canvas, is not color related. So let's look at the drills and you will understand what I'm talking about. So these are the drills. As you can see, the drills are lighter, are brighter and a few shades lighter than on the picture. Besides, there are some shades that are a little bit off from what you see on the canvas, and I love it. For example, this turquoise color. To tell you the truth, I do not see it that much on the canvas itself, so I really love the bright festive colors that come with this beautiful kit. These are the diamonds. They have pretty good quality, but they're not as faceted as diamond dots ones. So what I'm thinking of doing is definitely replacing white color with white ABs from diamond dots. No, this is not white one. This is the white one. As to others, I'm not sure. Maybe I will enhance the moon with some ABs and replace yellow color to AB diamonds. I'm not sure yet. I was also thinking of adding a few crystals, but I am very reluctant to do that. Bright crystals would look really very nice on the sun, but as to the moon, I'm not sure if it's going to be a good decision, but we will see. I would definitely use yellow ABs on the moon. So that's how it looks. And now let's move on to the second kit. The second one is also Christmas related, Train. The specifications are the same for all the 6 kits that I purchased. This is the fourth one. It is 40 by 50 centimeters, round drill diamond painting. And this kit comes with 27 colors, so it's a little bit less than the previous one. And this is how it looks on the canvas. I don't know, for me it looks kind of pixelated in this area. But we will see once I complete it. Hopefully it will look a little bit more detailed. The same, the printing, the clear symbols, the symbols is very clear. Here it is, and this is the picture. North Pole Express, so to say. Now, let's look at the drills. So this kit has a lot of dark colors, specifically gray ones, a lot of shades of gray and dirty blue, dark dirty blue, so to say, along with brown colors. Not my favorite ones, and they're not as bright as I would think. The only bright colors are these ones, as far as I understand. This one goes on the train as a color of the train, along with the yellow shades that would go to the windows. I am thinking of definitely replacing the yellow colors either with ABs or crystals to show the illumination coming out of the windows. These I will definitely replace white color with AB, white AB from Diamond Dot. As to the rest, I will leave just the original drills. I'm pretty sure that the color blending is perfect here, so I wouldn't want to play with it. That's how it looks. So these are not my favorite colors, to tell you the truth. I don't like gray, brown, and dirty blue color, but we will see how it's gonna turn out. In the worst case scenario, I guess I'll give it away as a gift if I don't like it. So, just for you to see how these kits look on the canvas, and these are the drills. If you are thinking of purchasing it, that's how it looks. But again, the kits are only $10 now, which is super cheap, and the quality is really very decent because again, I'm working. I diamond painted 2 kits from this company, and I actually liked the result. Last year, this company went on sale even more. The kits cost $7.50, which is like nothing. It's super cheap. I'm not sure if it's gonna happen this year. As far as I see, a lot of people are purchasing it now. Even now, it is super cheap. $10 is very cheap. Taking consideration a really nice quality of the kits and beautiful designs, which are really very unique. I haven't seen these designs anywhere else. I'm pretty sure that they are all licensed. I will leave the link in the description box below. If they sell it in your local Michaels, it's great. You just can go to your physical store and purchase it. But I personally got it from their online website, and if you buy for, I guess, $35, the shipping is free. So if you buy 4 kits from them, and your shipping will be free. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.